Okay, we are now recording. So, in compliance with the Data Privacy Act, is to inform you that this Google Meet session is being recorded. If you are not amenable to the recording, you can leave this Google Meet session. So, let me start. So, again, our topic is now on paths and connectedness. So, we have here some basic definitions. We have a definition of a walk, and then a trail, and then a path. So Iton walk is simply going from one vertex to another. Tapos we can denote this in two forms. We can denote this by listing the edges na ginaagian or pwede ang mga vertices na agian tapos bubutan tanalahin mga arrows to denote ano an imugin pan agian na mga vertex. So let's have an example. Let me open a Jamboard. Where is my pen for the Jamboard? Wait na guys, nawawala. Sorry about that. So let's say, um, let's create here a graph. Okay, so let's create here a graph na ininhiya na so gad. So something a bit simple lang. Okay, so let's say we have this graph. Tapos we want to describe uh, a walk from vertex 0 to vertex 4. So you can have a walk from 0, 1, 3, 4. Pwede ka gyapon 0, 2, 3, 4. So there are several ways that you can write your uh, the walk. So pwede ang mga edges, so may daka 0, 1, 1, 3, 3, 4. Pwede gyapon ito niya na 0, 1, 1, 3, 3, 4. Pwede gyapon mo surat alas vertex 0 going to vertex 1. Anay ha, let's open. Let's go to the Jamboard. So bali masugad ka from kung mga edges ganito ni imig susurat, so maksat ka 0, 1, then ano tun sunod 1, 3, and then 3, 4. So amo inihiya iton listing of the edges for the walk from 0 to 4. Kung vertex liwat imo kuan, isusurat nimo ya as vertices. Pwede liwat hiya na masag ka 0 going to 1 going to 3 going to 4. So amo initon aton two ways of writing the walk. Either you list the edges na ginaagian or you list the vertices na ginaagian. Pero usually itong ginbubuhat nala is mga vertex na let aton ginagamit na kuan kay oro halipot iton pagsurat if we are using vertices. Nakita ka mo mga sticky notes and mga numbers na kinbubot ginpansurat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. So, basically, iton walk, there are many walks in one graph. Pwede na damo iton imo mga walks na mahimo. Okay, let's go to the next definition. Okay, next. By the way, so katikangan, of course, is called the initial vertex. Tas ito, ni katapusan is called the final vertex. So in the example that we had, 0 is the initial vertex and then the final vertex was 4. Pwede gyapon, depende iton instruction, pwede nimo ibahon iton initial vertex. So pananglitan, magsiring luwat na, tikang ka nga diha 0, tapos maabot iton initial vertex, I mean, pananglitan iton initial vertex is from 1 and then the final vertex is still 4. So pwede ka umagi from 1 kumadi ka anay kan 0 if naka-remember ka mohan aton graph. Ay, agi ko rin na po ana. Bira siya. Adingayan. Okay, so pananglitan iton instruction mastering na initial vertex nimo yan na is from 1, tas final vertex nimo yan na is still 4. So pwede diretso ka 1 3 4. Pwede gyapon umagi ka anay 1 0 2 3 4. So depende iton instruction kay pwede lot sumiring na have create a walk wherein all of the vertices are included. So kung sugad niyan iton hiya, automatic ang kali 1, pwede adto yan na maagi na ha 0, makadiha 2, makadiha 3, ha 4. So depende kung ano iton condition for your walk. Okay, ana ha igbabaling ko ini nakuan module. Okay, so going back again. Okay, so the number of edges in a walk is called its length. So kung piraan imon agian na mga edges, so remember ha, when we say length, so dapat iton kuan niya iton number of edges, dire iton vertices, bangin malipat. So going back to this one, or ano to? This one, so an aton gin-define kanina na walk has length 3 kay may daan ini na edge 0 1, edge 1 3, edge 3 4. So the length is 3. Okay, next we have the definition of a trail. A trail in G is a finite sequence of edges. If the vertices V0, V1, V2 up to Vn are distinct, except possibly V0 wherein V0 and Vn are equal, then the trail is called a path. If V0 is equal to Vn, then the trail or path is closed. Okay, so ano kabahan iton trail nga dihan walk? So trail kuno is a finite sequence of edges, tapos aminin hiya dapat distinct iton imo V0, V1, V2, Vn. I mean, ton mga vertices na imo agian should be distinct. So, balik kita nga dihan aton kuan, another possible walk in hiya, pwede ani magbalik-balik. Tikang ka diha 0, 2, 3, tas balik ka ha 1, tas balik na tiya ha 3, tas kamo diha 4. So, we will write that another walk that we can do would be from 0 kumadto hiya ha 1, kumadto hiya ha 3, kumadto hiya ha 2, bumalik hiya ha 3, ngadto pa iya inabuta 4. So kita ni ha 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. So nakita nato na itong 3 na babalik hiya. Nauutro naton hi 3. Bali may nakita ginagian na same na vertex more than once. So may dangay kita ginaagian na more than once, that is just a walk. Itong trail dapat diri ka na balikhin imo vertex na ginaagian. Pwede diri tanan na vertex imo agian basta diri nimo hiya agian more than once. So amo iton trail. Now if ngani ko no binmalik ka, I'm sorry, that is a path. Basta nga distinct tanan, then that is called a path. Itong trail is amo tiya ngayon, sorry ha. So let me correct that. Itong trail pwede nimo agian otro iton usa ka vertex. Iton path diri nimo agian tanan na diri nimo agian more than once iton usa ka vertex. The walk is just the description of ano ang ginpan agian. So tanan na mga paths, tanan na mga trails, you can define a walk on them. Basta iton iton importante gula din kay dapat iton difference iton trail ngan iton path. Trail nga ni again, pwede ka umotrohin vertex, kung path nga ni diri pwede umotrohin vertex unless baga kahin linmibot. So if pananglitan from 0, 2, 3, 1 tas binmalik ka ha 0, that is still a path kay an imula initial ngan final vertex ang nagkapareha. Yes, Richard, you have a question?
Ay, waray, sir.
Okay, sige. So again ha, amo tiya iton basta iton path waray mauutro na vertex aside from the initial and final na magkakapareha hiya, bali binmalik kahan imo original position. Okay. Sige, so we have here on the module there are examples, mas complicated ya, mas damo iton mga vertex, mas iton mga degrees of each vertex, waray less than 2. So 2, 3, 4 iton mga may da pa nga ni 5 nga di iton degree iton mga vertex. Tapos we want to find a trail from vertex A to J. So trail nga ni, so pwede la naton agian otro iton usa ka vertex. So one possible course. So again, nayakan nga di, there are many possible trails. Damo iton aton pwede mahimo na trail from A to J, pero one possible is ininhiya. Now you will notice here na iton G ginotro, iton I ginotro. Iton G nga niyo katulo, G G G. Tapos I ngan I makaduha. So this trail ko no has length 9, so that's 1, 2. So iton madali na pag kita iton kuan ininhiya na arrows. Amo man iton bagahin edges na nagko-connect. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or basically, ito number of edges, number of vertices, that's minusan nimo in 1. That is your length. So it says here, if you trace this trail, you can verify that no edge is passed more than once, and it's possible to not use all the edges. And then another trail of length 6, here. However, if we want a path, no vertex should be passed on more than once. One possible path is here, ADEJ, ADEJ. So waray na hiya babalikan otro na vertex. Next, a closed trail or path requires the initial vertex to be the final vertex. So closed trail, tawag ito hiya, is also a path when your VO is equal to VN. So here, this is an example of a closed trail or path. So dapat makabalik ka ngadtuhan imo gin tikangan. Okay, so next we have the definition of connected graph. So connected kuno hiya if may da ka mabibilngan na path from one vertex to another. So bisan diin ka kuno magtikang na vertex, maka-travel ka going to all the other vertices. So amit ya connected, or basically kikitaon naton diriya waraya bagan kaputulan. So kung naputol nga niya, so diri niya connected, so tawag naton is disconnected. So the connected subgraphs are called components. So inin na black na graph, this is a connected graph. Kay bisan din ka magtikang na vertex, baka kadtukahin iba na vertex. Nga di, inin na red na graph, so this is disconnected and it has two components. So amo initin iya first component, amulat aditon iya second component. So may daya two components. Tapos again, ang definition naton han connected kuno kay bisan diin ka magtikang na vertex, makakadto ka hiton iba na vertex. So from pananglitan magtikang kay ni din hina vertex, diri ka makakadi kay waray graph na ma-connect, waray edge na ma-connect tikang din hitikadto. So that's why this is disconnected. Now, this blue graph, this is also a disconnected graph, and this has three components. So, iti components may 1, 2, 3. So, iti components sa again, nakikita man di may highlight. Di rin nagagamitan. Di. So, this is component 1, component 2, and component 3. So components, again, these are graphs in itself, bagay subgraph, mga subgraph ininhira. Tapos, amo ininhira itong mga connected na mga parts. So these are the three components. Tapos, ininhira na mga basta vertex lang nga ni hiya, waraya nakokonekta na iba na vertex, usala, nag-uusahan niya na vertex, itawag natin ito is an isolated vertex. Naka-isolate siya, bagay naka-quarantine. Okay, so here are more graphs to illustrate disconnectedness and their number of components. So in here, this is disconnected and it has 4 vertices and 4 components. So tanan na mga vertex din here are all isolated vertices. And bali, this is one component, another component, another component, and another component. This graph here, this is also a disconnected graph. It has 8 vertices and it has 4 components. So this is one component, another component, another component, and another component. And then you have another here. So 8 vertices, 3 components. Another one component, 2, and 3. So later on, mag-problem set ka mo, papaduro yung gap ka mo, masaring ito na draw a disconnected graph with pananglitan 9 vertices and 2 components. Something like that, or 3 components. Tapos ikaw mo net bahala mag-drawing, basta ma-fit iton condition nga dahil iton AU drawing.
Okay lang sir na mag-enter, magrapo sa ring pa, an edges.
Pwede la. Later on, may dakitan kita tawag ng mga planar graphs na dire pwede magrapo. Pero kung waray nga ni tawag iton, condition na nagbabawal hiton, okay la.
Sige po sir.
Okay. Sige, let's continue. So now we have here a theorem. So let G be kuno a simple graph, tapos may daya n kabuok na mga vertices. If G has k components, then the number m of edges of G satisfies. So may nakitain in hiya na relationship. So iton, again iton n is the number of vertices, m is the number of edges, the ck is the number of components. So iton imo kuno number of edges, dapat durda mo hiya or equal to the number of vertices minus the number of components. Pero guruguti hiya or equal to n minus k times n minus k plus 1 all over 2. So this theorem kuno gives us the maximum and minimum number of edges of a simple graph if we know the number of vertices and number of components. Suppose you have a disconnected graph with 7 vertices and 2 components, then the minimum number of edges, so masaring na niya. So minimum, so kuan nga masaring kita minimum, so dapat hiya pinakaguti. So iton aton number of edges pwede durdamo. That's why iton aton ginagamit din he is greater than or equal to. Please be with this iton pag nagamit nga kita mga words na minimum ngan maximum kung ano iton aton inequality na gagamiton. Kay danay nababali, ginihimo na less than or equal to, ginihimo na greater than or equal to. So again ha, nayakan ko no na minimum number of edges. So pwede duroda mo iton imo edges kaysa ininhiyan ating calculate. That's why we're using m is greater than or equal to. So pananglitan lang, when you say the minimum age requirement is 18 years old, so dapat itong imo age, so age must be greater than or equal to 18. So mastering ka na minimum age requirement is 18 years old, so the age, which is your variable, must be greater than or equal to 18. So the same thing with this, your edges should be at least, so 7 vertices minus 2 components. So dapat may daka 5 or more ka edges. So pananglitan nga dahiton quiz mastering na nga dan instruction. Draw a graph that has 7 vertices, 2 components, and 4 edges. So again, may da na iya ginhatag. So again, itong iya ginhatag na vertices nimo is 7, components nimo is 2, tapos may dana hiya kuan ginsiring na dapat kuno iton imo number of edges is equal to 4. So ito mo answer diri ka ma-drawing in hiya masaring ka na this is not possible. Kaya no, tapos i-reason out lot nimo kaya no diri niya posible. Because by theorem 10, pwede ka na lang magsiring theorem 10, m must be greater than or equal to 5. But with the condition na m is equal to 4, then we have a contradiction. Contradiction kasi ringon na waray naton ma-meet ang requirement na greater than or equal to 5. So with that, it is impossible to draw a graph na may dahiya 7 vertices, 3 components, and 4 laka edges. Pwede kita maghimo hin 5. So if we want to draw a vertex, a graph with 7 vertices, 3 components, and 5 edges, let's go here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add a vertex 5. Tapos pira kun adto ka edges, so kailangan niyahin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is already an example na may dakita 7 vertices, 3 ka components. So this big graph is the first component. Then these 2 graphs, isolated vertices, are your other components. Now pwede gyapon pananglitan kay nasiring man nga di na dapat na minimum ito niya. So pwede durdako. So pwede ba kita magkaadahin 6 na edges? Pero 3 la iton aton 3 la iton aton 3 la gyapon ka components. So do you think we can draw a graph with 7 vertices? So amo lagi in here 7 vertices, 3 components, but this time we want to have 6 ka edges. Can anyone tell me what we can do to the graph here para magkaalakitahin 6 edges pero na maintain talagyapon na 3 components lagyapon hiya?
0 to 3, sir.
Okay, so we can create an edge, pwede ta ano i-connect hi 0 ngan hi 3. So that's only one way. Pwede gyapon adto hi 1, 2, pwede gyapon hi 0, 4, pwede 2, 4, pwede 1 for anything. Basta mag-add ka lahin one more edge. So with this, we still have na maintain ta na 7 gyapon iti vertices, 3 lang gyapon iti components, and then we have 6 kabuok na mga edges. Okay, pero diri liwat kita pwede magpasagad la na iton aton number of edges pag pipinadakuan tala. So going back here, we can have, so this is 6 edges. I can now have 7 ka edges, 8 ka edges. So saan man liwat iton maundang? So the theorem still gives us pira iton maximum, pira iton pinakadamo. So amo ininhiya liwat, so we have m should be less than or equal to, so gurugot tihiya, or amo na init pinakadako. So using the formula from here, from the theorem, we're able to solve na it should be 15. So 15 iton pinakadamo na edges na aton pwede mahimo kung may dakita 7 ka vertices and 3 components. So bubuhaton mo lainin, actually himuon mo lainin hiya na bagahin complete graph. So kan ko connect lagi up inin heratanan. Tapos basta pan himuan lang nimo inihirahit kuan in mga adjacency. This is 1, 2, 3, 5. So dapat 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15 dapat. So dapat kuno 15. Anay ha? Okay, 7 minus. Ay, kaya inin 2 dapat. Ay, sorry. 3 man nga inin hiya. So diri 15 nga yan. Sorry. Kaya inin 3. Anay, sorry nalipat ako. Kung 3 nga ni adto hiya, dapat ang minimum agi kaya ano naging 3 and k dapat 2. Anyway, sige basta amon to ya kung ang 3 nga ni kanina, so the m ay ha itadi ya m should be equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Sorry, ang kanina ngayon 4 an minimum, so diri ya pwede mag-lower to 3. So yan na, because we have 3 components, so the maximum, or sorry, this should be greater than or equal to. And m should be less than or equal to, so 7 minus 3 times 7 minus 3 plus 1 over 2. So this should be less than or equal to 4 times 5 over 2. So this should be less than or equal to 10. Ito ba 7 minus 3 plus 1 over 2. So dapat itong maximum kuno natin is 10. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sakto 10. Please verify there are 10 edges that we have in this graph. So amo na initon aton maximum because we have 7 vertices and we want there to be 3 components. Tapos we are able to draw m. So a version iton magiging quiz. So mastering la na draw disconnected graph that has pananglitan 9 vertices, 4 components, and then draw one graph with the minimum number of edges, draw another graph with the maximum number of edges, and then draw another graph na iton iya number of edges is not the maximum or minimum but something in between. So kung pananglitan, balik kita ininhiya na n is equal to 7, k is equal to 3, so dapat m is less than or equal to 4, tapos greater than or equal to 4, less than or equal to 10. So pwede ka mag 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Depende la. Ada na lang tayo kung aperet iyo gusto. Okay, so these are other examples here that shows the number of vertices, components, and the edges. And then we have here a corollary. So basically, this is a consequence of the previous theorem. So any simple graph with n vertices and more than n minus 1 over n minus 2 over 2 edges is connected. So an iyan number of edges magsubra nga ni kuno ininhiya, then iton imo entire graph is connected. So wara iton imo number of components is just equal to 1. Kay makikita nato iton hiya nga di bali iton k iton hiya ininhiya is only equal to 1. So n minus 1 tapos n minus 1 plus 1. So this is n tapos n minus 1 over 2. So magsubra nga ni hiya, that means our kuan na iton hiya. Connected na ito tanan, iton components is just equal to 1. Okay. Sige, it's 244. Okay, sige, let's go to the next one here. We have the concept. Sige, any questions so far? Klaro pa ininhiya ng mga disconnected and connected graphs? Any questions on disconnected and connected and disconnected graphs? Sige, since wala man a question, so I will proceed. So next, we have the definition of a disconnecting set, cut set, and edge connectivity. So a disconnecting set in a connected graph is a set of edges whose removal makes your graph G disconnected. Tapos a cut set is a disconnecting set, no proper subset of which is a disconnecting set. Kasi rin yung good line in hiya na no proper subset of which is a disconnecting set, amo inihiya iton waray na hiya guruguti ay waray hiya subset ito na a set na magiging disconnecting set lagyapon. So here is an example. So let's say we have this graph with vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. So in the graph on the right, EC, CF, and EF is a disconnecting set. So kung hi EC ko no, inin hi EC, hi CF, and hi EF, tanggalon nga ni nato ininhira ng mga edges, madi-disconnect iton graph kay magiging isolated na ininhira na duha ka vertex. However, bisan actually kung hi EC or hi EC nga ni CF let atong tanggalon, change good color. Kung hi EC ngan hi CF let akong tanggalon, disconnected lagi po itong graph kay ininhiya will become one component. Dirira mga isolated vertices but still disconnected lagi po ininhi EF from this graph na nga din na ABCD. So again ha, inihi EC, CF, and EF is a disconnecting set. Pero iniya na hay ECCF, this is now what we call a cut set. Cut set hiya kay dire na kung hi EC let aton tanggalon, dire na yung maka-disconnect itong graph. Kung hi CF let aton tanggalon, dire lot yung maka-disconnect itong graph. So, inin hiya, kuti ay na hiya, waray na yung subset na maka-disconnect itong graph. And adi hiya, we found a subset. So, ang subset niya, we only took EC and CF. So, ininhira na duwa. This is also a disconnecting set. So, all cut sets are disconnecting sets, but not all disconnecting sets are cut set. Meaning, ininhiya, maka-disconnect na gipitong graph, pero waray na kita makikitaan na guruguti ha iya na itong mga elements di kang laliwat haira. Next, another possible cut set kuno is AC, CB, CD. Let me change the color again. So, kung tanggalon ta kuno hi AC, hi CB, nga ni CD, madi-disconnect. So, magkakada kita ininhiya na part, ngan adihiya na part. Amoy aton magiging two components. So, there can be many possible cut sets, but none of them would have less than 2 edges. So, it pinakaguti na pwede naton tanggalon na number of edges is 2. So, pinakaguti naton tanggalon, ininhiya nga di, hira na duwa, ininhi EC ngan hi CF para ma-disconnect. Pwede gyapon actually, let aton tanggalon liwat. Let me just change again color. Pwede gyapon iton atong tanggalon inihi EC ngan hi EF. Kahit may tabo hi E magiging isolated vertex siya. Pero still it nag-show in here is that we still need to remove at least 2 edges para kita maka-disconnectin either vertex or bisa niya subgraph good na dirila isolated vertex. So because of that, it means that our edge connectivity is equal to 2. So amin hiya. So itong aton edge connectivity para diri hilabay pagsurat, gingamit nala is lambda. So lambda of G is equal to 2. So again, lambda, this is the edge connectivity. So amin hiya an example. So kung tanggalon nga kuno an EC and CF, magiging sugad inin hiya. Iton hitsura. Next, this graph, the edge connectivity kuno of this graph is equal to 1. So klaro na 1 iton iya edge connectivity kay tatanggalon ta inin hiya na edge mahihimo magiging sugad dito niya hitsura. Now, if your edge connectivity is equal to 1, then ito hiya naging tanggal nimo na edge is called a bridge. Kaya kung baga hunaw-hunaon nimo, it really looks like a bridge because this is the only connection between, kung pananglitan, this is one landmass and this is another landmass, then this is the bridge that connects these two landmass. And if you remove the bridge, then there's no way that you can travel from this component to this component. Richard, may pakyanan na liwat? Or na kuan iton?
Sir, ito na sir, it bridge sir na term is usagod lang na talaga na ma-connect la.
Pwede several damit mo bridges. Dire usagod la talaga iton hiya. Ikon may data pa nga ni pero pwede gyapon na sorry, let me draw anay ha, balik kita nga dihan. And let me just remove this. Ang kaluntaan na inin para mag-drawing kita hin may daduha ka bridge. Something kuan lang. Okay, so in here na graph, there are two bridges here. Tanggalon ko nga ni 10-11 na edge, makakada ko adihiya ngan ininhiya. Pwede gyapon adihiya, this is also a bridge. Magiging sugad ininhiya ngan sugad ininhiya. So pwede more than one iton imo bridge in a graph, pero usagod la iton hiya bali kung usala iton hiya na kailangan tanggalon tas madi-disconnect na ni imo graph. Na answer ko
Okay, sir.
Richard?
Opo sir, okay na sir.
Okay, sige. Let's go back to the module. Okay. So, in here, I want you to do this pero dire nala iyan na nakahinumdum pa kamuhan mga special graphs naton P2. So these are the path graphs, adiyan ang mga cycle graph, adiyan mga wheel graph, tas mga complete graph. So I want you to create patterns. So panaan sira niyo pira iton edge connectivity ni P2. Pira edge connectivity ni P3, pira edge connectivity ni P4, pira edge connectivity ni P5. That's from that, you can, bisan upat pala iton hira, makakita ka na hin pattern kung ano iton, pira iton kailangan nimo tanggalon para ka maka-disconnect hiton imo an mga path graph. The same nga dito C3, C4, C5, C6, W3, W4, W5, WC6, K3, K4, K5, K6. Magkakada ka ito.
Surumpay to, sir?
Ha?
Surumpay to, na? Surumpay.
Kada usa ka number, surumpay. So, ininhira, surumpay. Kay bali, what I want you to do here is to create a conjecture, maghimo ka mo hin pattern, na kung path graph nga ni, amo initon akon edge connectivity. Kung cycle graph nga ni, sugad init edge connectivity. Kung complete graph nga ni, sugad initon edge connectivity. Aday nga di, kuan ininhira, ini number good la ininhiya. Nga di, bagayin formula it AU may himo. Nga di kan K3, K4, ito mga complete graph. I think but it can wheel graph. This is just a constant number. Constant inihira iton P2, C3, W3. Pero magkadi ka na nga nitong K3, K4, this is a formula. Ito magiging pattern. Now, I want you to do this kay pag-abot nga dihiton iyo thesis writing, pwede niyo ininhimuan actually na amo ito ibagang pinaka-thesis na mamimiling ka muhin mga kay an akong gin-introduce sa iyo ng mga special graphs, mga basic laadtura ng mga special graphs. There are a lot of other special graphs na gin-create. So pwede ka mo ito magpili ka muhin usa ka type of special graph tapos i-determine niyo itong cut set tapos may dapat kita gitatawag na cut vertex. Edge connectivity and connectivity or vertex connectivity of those graphs. So, nakilala ba ka mo kandakuan hi ularan nga hi function amod ton era naging thesis. So, I think leaf graph ba or book graph an era gin consider tapos gin kita niraan mga edge connectivity and connectivity hadto na mga graphs tas naghimin formula tas gin-prove laliwat an era nahimo na formula. So maybe you can get inspiration from this on what you can do for your thesis. Okay, pero ininhi ka mo na ninit pagkuan magawas na siguro ini nga iton quiz na what is the edge connectivity of PN. So, if nag-answer ka mo ininhiyang dinhi, maka-answer ka mo ito na question nga iton pag-quiz naton. Okay, next, we have the definition of a separating set, cut vertex, and connectivity. So, separating set this time, and disconnecting set, these were edges. Itong separating set this time, these are vertices. Now, remember ha, anak niya kanhan una, dapat itong edge na connect gud ito ya permi ngadtoin usa ka vertex. So, tanggalon ko nga nininhiya na usa ka vertex, itong edge na na-connect nga daiya matatanggal gyapon. If we go back to this one, and mga drawing naton nga di, and inina-graph, take note, kung tanggalon ko nga ni, mag-remove nga ni ako hin vertex, iton edge na nakakonect nga daiya, nawawara gyapon. So, diri kita pwede may hanging na vertex, tas waray edge nga dahit iya katapusan. Okay. So, concept of separating set is analogous to that of a disconnecting set. However, when we remove a vertex, all edges incident to it, meaning it na connectar haiya, must be removed as well. So, iton separating set, this is just a set of vertices, pero pwede pa hiya may the subset that will also disconnect the graph. So, the cut vertex, waray na ya subset. And connectivity, this time is the smallest number of vertices para ka maka-disconnect hiton imo graph. Okay? So, in this in the graph on the left, one cut vertex is CD. Removing vertices CD will result to the graph on the right. So, mawara nga ninin hiya, C nga D, amo adit magiging hitsura. So, nagkaada kita hin isolated vertex na H. Pagtanggal natin kan CD. Tapos, kita ha, waray ang BC na edge na wara, ina CH, ina CD, HD, ED. So, nagkatatanggal iton hira na mga edges gihapon. Tapos, waray kuno kita makikita na vertex na only one element. Meaning, diri kita pwede magtanggalhin usala ka vertex tapos ma-disconnect na iton aton graph. Kung hiji aton tanggalon din connected lagi hapon ininhira. So, magkakada lagi hapon kita ininhiya. This will still be one component if tanggalon naton G. So, diri lagi hapon hiya disconnected. So, itong minimum good naton na kailangan tanggalon is 2 para kita magkaadahin disconnected graph. Okay? So, amo gyapon, if you can also, by the way, the notation for connectivity, so, an edges sa sumaydaya, edge connectivity, and vertices is just connectivity. So itong iya notation is kappa of G. So maybe you can also, pero usually itong connectivity, very good in hiya, well studied, itong mas ginistudihan good is on edge connectivity. Kay usually man good, diri kita nagtatanggalin vertex. It aton gusto is na re-retain ito number of vertices. Pero pwede lang kita magtanggalhin mga vertex. So, mas popular itong edge connectivity. So, amin niya, I want you to study this. Tapos, may napamang kita ito iba ng mga types of graphs. Maybe you can also study those other types of graphs. Okay, any question for now? Clarification. Ada pa kamo? Moy, Rafi, Tingog.
Sir, ready pa.
Yes, sir. Ready po, sir.
Okay, sige, salamat. So, that will be the discussion for today. Ininhiyan na next topic, na Eulerian graphs and maabot ba yung Hamiltonian? And Hamiltonian graphs, this will be sunod-sunod pagod ininhiya kay medyo medyo complicated maguti. Pero marisyon niya kay damo iton applications gyapon, mga real life applications. Okay. So I don't know if next week I can give you a quiz already. So probably by next week na iton latest, iton coverage is module 1 tapos ininhiya ko to biton edge connectivity and vertex connectivity. Mga edge set and cut vertex. Sige, kung waray questions or clarifications, then we will be ending the lesson for today. So, sige, last chance. May dapakyana. And kuan ngayon tawag iton hiya, problem set, maghihimo ako hin Google Forms na ngadto ha Google Classroom, may ma-embed ako in Google Forms para ang mga parts na itong pag-answer kay letter or number iyo la igta-type, pero ang part na kailangan ko mag-drawing, iga-upload niyo iton iyo drawing. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sige, kunwaray na. Sige, thank you for attending today's class. See you. Basta ka human na pag-quiz naton. Sige, bye for now.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye.